Salam dari Bumo Teku Umar. Saya Hidayati Rahmah, Inong Duta Wisata Aceh Barat 2022. I am a student of English Education Department of UIN Araniri, Banda Aceh. Apart from doing my thesis, I'm also active in several organizations and have become an English tutor. Because I believe that life is the result of our parents' hunger and our own experience. Traveling is my hobby. Exploring various places encourage me to explore new things. When we think about Aceh Barat, we think about how amazing tourist attraction, culture, culinary, and etc. As a tourism ambassador, I combine education, action, and collaboration program to promote Aceh Barat more gloriously. Focusing on teaching children inspired me to start developing the two-book program by improving their knowledge about tourism, culture, and languages. That is why I stand with my personality and spirit. I am Hidayati Rahmah, proudly representing Aceh Barat in Pemilihan Agam Inong Aceh 2022.